If you're in Sao Paulo and you want to do your citizen card, be it for you or for minors, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mills and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be talking on how you can book for an appointment to do the Brazilian citizen card. Before, the acronym used to be called RG, which is the General Registry. But now it is called CIN all over Brazil, which is the acronym of Cateira de Identidade Nacional. I've done a video on how to apply for the SIN in Santa Catarina. So today I'm going to be talking on how you can book an appointment to apply for the SIN in Sao Paulo. You'll be needing an appointment to apply for the SIN. Their SIN or their citizen card is being done only in Brazil. You cannot do it outside of Brazil. You cannot do it at the embassy. Now, these are the different ways you can book an appointment. First one, you can go on site, meaning that you look for the nearest ID card unit. In Sao Paulo, these units are called Tempo. So you just need to type on your phone Tempo near me, and you go to the nearest Tempo and you ask them that you want to book for an appointment. There's some locations where you can get an appointment the very next day. The next way you can apply for this is using their Tempo website. To use the Tempo website, which I find it as the easiest, is just to go to the website. So when you go to the website and you click on the link to apply for their citizen card, it's going to take you to the government website and log in to your government account to access this. You log in using your CPF number, and if you've never had an account before, you need to create a password. So to create a password, they're going to give you their instructions that you need to follow. If you have a baby that you want to do the ID card, you have to create an account for the baby. So in that case, you use the baby's CPF number and you create a password. After you must have created your government account and you log in, make sure when you want to book for an appointment, you should be using the Google page that has the email that you'll be using. So it must be on that same email that you used. It's going to take you straight to their website and you just click on first time ID card, and it's going to give you a list of the different Tempos or different units, and you look for the one that is closest to your address and you choose the dates. Most of the times when you're living in the center of Sao Paulo, their dates are limited. But in some areas where there are less people, you can even have like the next day. You click on that, there's going to be a confirmation. The appointment letter is going to be sent to your email. The next way is to use their Tempo app. All you need is to download the app, then you schedule an appointment. Another way you can do it is through WhatsApp. There's a WhatsApp number that is being given. The way the Brazilian numbers are being structured, first you have their country code, which is +55. Then the next two digits determines the state which you bought the SIM card from. In Sao Paulo is 11. In Florianopolis is 48. So after the 55, if you see 48, it means that person is from Florianopolis. You're just going to put in the area code and the number, you add them on WhatsApp, then you follow the different steps and you schedule an appointment. On the day of the appointment, you just get your documents and go there. You're going to take only original documents. All you'll be needing, if you're a citizen, your birth certificate. If you're a citizen and you're married, you can take your marriage certificate. If you are a naturalized citizen, it's a CPF number. You'll be taking your passport, as well as their page where your name was published in the diary or their National Gazette. If you are married and you have a foreign marriage certificate, you can show it, but it really doesn't matter. If you're having minors that are under 3 years old, you need to do a photo that has to be on their card. All minors under 16 years must be accompanied by their parents. Make sure that the minor is present as well as one of the parents. You can also have a guardian that can be present, but you need an authorization form. This person is neither of the parents. The first ID card that you apply for is free. On that day of the appointment, you just go with those documents and it's going to be done that same day. 95% of the times, the card is out in 2 weeks. 10 business days, which is 2 weeks. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. If you find this interesting, make sure you leave a thumbs up, like, share, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a new video in that same light. Ciao.